Welcome back to another computer sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to add an optional feature in Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click on the Windows Start menu icon. You now need to go onto Settings and you now need to go onto Apps. You need to make sure that Apps and Features is selected on the left here, and you now need to click on Optional Features. You can see here in this list all the installed features in Windows 10 on your PC. If you do have a really long list, you can even search for one here. But to add an optional one, you just simply need to click on Add a Feature, and then a list will appear here. So if you just scroll down, so we could add Microsoft WebDriver, and we could also add XPS Viewer, and if we scroll back up to the top, let's just add a Canadian supplemental font as well. If you are looking for a specific feature, you could search for it in the box here, or you can also change the sort by, so click on the drop down arrow and change it to download size, but I'll just change it back to name. So once you're happy, you can then click install. And as you can see, the optional features are now installing in Windows 10. And that's it for this video. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.
Don't forget to check out my social media channels and forum.